Konnichiwa.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Hi, I like your hat.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, what's your name?
My name is Laura.
Laura?
Yes.
Ah, beautiful name for a beautiful
Thanks.
girl. Yeah. So, Laura, my name is Habibie.
Okay.
Yeah. Where are you right now?
I'm outside.
Oh, outside. With your friend, maybe, or alone?
I'm my friend here.
Oh. Hello, guys.
I'm
Can
not his
I?
boyfriend.
Yeah, okay. Can I sing something for you?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Hope you like it.
So good. So good.
Thank
Oh my
you
God,
so
that's so
much. Thank you
beautiful.
so much, guys. I'm really appreciate that.
You sing so good.
Thank you so much. So I wanna
You
ask you.
both are beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much. What are you doing on Omegle? I mean, what you're looking for, searching for? Yeah.
We're like boring and we don't know like what to do. So we just
Okay,
come
I
here
see.
to we just come here to talk with people from another countries and that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel the same way too. I'm so boring, so I wanna sing to people like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you like it, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So good.
Okay. Thank you. I did it. Let me see your friend. Can I see your friend? Hello.
And me and me.
Oh, what's up? What's your name, boy?
My name is Juan Pedro.
And that's the
me?
guy? Yeah.
Adam.
Adam?
Yeah.
And me Juan Pedro.
Good.
Shut up.
How old are you?
13.
13? All of you 13?
No. He's 12
Hey,
and I'm 14.
Okay. Are you guys like family or just friend?
me and we
Um
are brother.
we are
Oh,
brothers
brother.
and
Okay.
he's my friend.
Boyfriend.
My friend.
Boyfriend?
No, he's my friend.
He's my friend.
No, it's not. It's
He's
not.
not. Oh.
It's my friend.
Okay.
And mine
Okay.
too.
No, you
Shut
don't
up.
know.
Okay. Interesting. So you want me to play a song again? Maybe do you have any requests? What song do you want?
Anime drill.
No. I don't know.
You don't know? Like
Wait, let me
Anime drill.
what, boy?
spit it.
Anime drill.
No, no, don't do that.
I don't know that song.
You know Olivia Rodrigo's songs.
Olivia Rodrigo song. Okay. Which song?
Like happier.
Happier. Okay. Wait. Let me see the lyric first. Okay.
Yeah.
And I know my heart was attacked for all the sunrise of our past. But she's so sweet, she's so pretty. Doesn't mean you forgot about me. I hope. Come on, sing with me. Happy but now, like how you were with me. I'm selfish, I know. I can't let you go. So find someone great, but don't find no one better. I hope you're happy, but don't be happier. Thank you so much.
So beautiful.
Oh my God, you sing so good.
Thank you so much. You like Olivia song?
Yeah.
Me no.
Oh, yeah.
Are you? How old are you?
Okay. I'm. Can you guess how old am I?
17.
Oh my god, you're right.
Yeah.
Good.
So guys, thank you for having me. I'm so happy to meet you.
Thank
But I
you
gotta
too.
go right now, okay?
Thank
Fine.
you.
Bye.
Okay,
Bye.
bye-bye. Happy great night.
Have a good
Same.
night.
Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm doing very well. How about you?
Oh, well, so, yeah, I'm nice. I'm great.
Yeah, you can sing very well.
Yeah, I can sing for you if you want to listen.
Okay, of
And
course.
wait, anyway, what's your name?
My name is Megumi.
Megumi?
Yeah.
Are you from Japan?
No.
No, but
My grandparents are from Japan, but I
okay,
was
I
born
see.
here in Brazil.
Yeah, because Megumi is Japanese name, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes, correct. What's your name?
My name is Habibie.
Habibie?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia, you know?
Okay,
Yeah.
but
Okay,
that's
so-
not... Is it an Indonesian name?
Habibie, actually
It
Habibie
sounds like
it's
Arabic.
yeah, Arabic name.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
Okay, let's go. Hope you like it. Yo.
I'm sure it will.
Do you know what's worth fighting for when it's not worth dying for? Does it take your breath away and you feel yourself suffocating? 121 gone, lay down your arms, give up the fight. 121 gone, throw up your arms into the sky. You and I. Thank you so much.
Wow, I'm so impressed. You sing very, very well. You have
Thank
a
you so
very
much.
nice
I really
voice.
appreciate that.
Yeah. Are you a singer?
Singer, yeah, it's kinda.
Yeah.
Yeah, sing, it's my hobby, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep
So-
it up because you're very good at it.
Yeah, I will. Thank you so much, Megumi. How old are you?
Welcome.
Anyway.
Maybe you should guess it.
Okay, let me guess it. I think you 19.
No.
I'm
I'm
wrong.
older than that.
Higher?
Yeah.
Older?
Way older.
21.
More.
More.
Come on.
Okay. 23?
I'm 25.
Oh, 25. But your face is so young.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I think you are 17.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Thank
really.
you. Thank you very
and
much.
and your hair, I like it.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's kind of blonde and it's curly.
Yeah, kind of blonde. I
How old
like
are
it.
you?
Can you guess?
I would say 19 or 18.
Yep, I'm 19.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're right. You're great.
Yeah, I'm good at it.
Yeah, you're good. Okay, Megumi. Before I go,
Okay.
do you want me to play a song again? What song do you want?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sing for me your favorite song.
My favorite song. Okay, where's
Yeah.
it? I have so many favorite song. Wait. And I say that I'm true, but this song's still for you. All I want is love that lasts. All I want's too much to ask. Is it something wrong with me? All I want is a good guy, or my expectation far too high. Try my best, but what can I say? All I have is myself at the end of the day. And all I want is for that to be okay. Hey, 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 hey.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. My voice is breaking. Okay, thank you, Megumi, for having me. Thank you for your time.
Oh,
Yeah.
wait. Let
Okay.
me ask you something. Do you have TikTok?
TikTok, yes, I have.
Yeah.
You wanna see? TikTok or Instagram? Twice?
Anyone?
Okay. Wait. Okay, that's my TikTok and Instagram.
Okay. If I ever post this video, could I tag you on TikTok?
Oh, you record this?
I always record videos here,
Oh,
but
okay.
sometimes I post it if the person agrees, of course.
Yeah, of course. Okay. That's okay. It's
Okay.
fine. And wait, actually, I'm recording this one too. Is it okay for you?
Really?
Yeah, really.
Okay. But do
Okay.
you post it somewhere?
On TikTok maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much, Megumi.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Bye-bye.
I'm
take
so
care.
happy to meet you. Yeah, bye.
Yeah, that was very nice talking to you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Where are you
Hi.
from? Where are you from?
I'm from Egypt, North Africa.
Okay. Nice.
What
Can
about you? Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know Indonesia.
What's your name?
My name is Yasmin. Or
Yes.
Jasmine, whatever you like.
Jasmine, like Princess Jasmine?
Yes, yeah.
Good
You know,
name.
the princess in Disney.
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course. So
What's your name?
Jasmine. My name is Habibie. Ow.
Okay, okay.
What's wrong with
Nice.
Habibie name? Why you laughing, Jasmine?
Because it's in Arabic, that means my love.
Ah,
so
yeah, I
that
know,
was a
I
bit
know.
wrong, but okay. Is it really your name?
Yeah, it's for real. My name
That's
is
so
Habibie.
cute. Okay, okay.
So Jasmine, can I sing for you?
Yes, of course, of course.
Of course.
That's nice.
How could I ignore you? Trust me, I adore you. We're swimming through our dream. Kiss me in the shower for a couple hours. Truck, we're only 16. And sit down beside me. Don't call me daddy, 'cause that's just fucking weird. Promise that you stay here, you and I can lie here until the end of time. But girl, don't you worry about me. It ain't new to me. I'm feeling this lonely, darling baby girl. Don't you worry about me. And if you ever unhappy, if you ever unhappy, and if you ever unhappy, but baby, I must let you go.
friends are so lucky. Like, if I was going through something bad and you sang and did this for me, I would
Yeah.
be so happy.
Oh my god. Thank you so much. So
You're welcome.
uh I want to know what are you doing on Omega? Yeah.
I am making international friends. I have none.
Okay.
I want to have friends from around the world, actually. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Maybe we
So that's cool.
I can be your friend. Can I? May I?
Yes, that's really great. Actually. I can give
Okay.
you my Instagram.
Yeah. Okay, that's my
Yeah,
Instagram.
cool. Okay, thanks.
Yes.
Okay, I will add you.
Okay, thank you.
You'll be
You're-
my first international friend. And
Oh,
this is awesome.
really?
Yes,
Anyway, how old are you?
I am 18, turning 19 next
Oh,
month.
18. Nice. I'm 19, by the way.
Okay.
Okay, Jasmine, I will follow you on Instagram. Maybe we can talk on DM, okay?
Okay.
So,
I will just
Yeah, and
whenever
you
I
can.
will go and follow you.
Yeah, of course. Thank you, Jasmine. Bye bye.
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 Play a song.
Oh, where are you from?
Canada.
Oh, where are you from?
Canada?
Okay, Canada. Nice. I like
You
your
play
hair.
Thank you.
Yeah, I play song. Okay. You want me to play?
Yes.
Yeah.
Before I sing, what's your name?
Vanessa.
Vanessa?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Vanessa, this song for you.
Okay.
I miss the days of a sweeter life. I miss the conversation. I'm searching for a song tonight. I'm changing all the situation. I was there for you in your darkest night. I was there for you in the darkest night. But I wonder where we are when I was at my worst, down on my knees. And you tell you had my back, so I wonder where we are when all the road you took come back to me. So I'm following the map, still lead to you. The map still lead to you, and nothing I can do. The map still lead to you, following, following, following to you. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Wait. That was so good.
Yeah, it really was.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Wait,
Why you like this? Why you like?
like, why do I like it?
No, he's been like you're going like that.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, yeah. Why you like this? Your hand.
Because I
it was
was
like so good.
It
We're
was
like,
amazing.
oh my god.
Okay.
That was actually
Oh,
amazing.
who is
Better than
talking?
half the singers.
Who is talking? Your friend?
Oh, just my friend, like, arm.
Let me see your friend. Hi, friend.
And
Hi, friend. Let me see you.
I can't
Why?
because I'm famous.
Because you are famous?
No,
What?
I'm just joking.
I don't know, she's just joking.
Oh, okay, okay. It's fine. How old are you?
I'm 14.
Oh, 14. I'm 17.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Well, have a good night.
Okay, have a good night.
Bye.
Bye. Hi.
Hi,
Hi, how you doing?
I'm doing fine. How about you?
I'm great. What's your name?
My name is Mara.
Mara?
Mara.
Mara?
Mara.
Oh, beautiful name. So where are you from?
I'm from the Netherlands.
Netherlands?
Yes.
Good, I like Netherlands. And my name is Habibie, I'm from Indonesia.
I never heard of that name or that country, but it sounds really fun. And I want to go everywhere, kinda. But yeah,
It's nice. Yeah, Indonesia.
nice.
So Mara, can I sing for you with my guitar?
Yes, of course.
Of course.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. I hope you like it. It's a beautiful night. We're looking something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it a look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Yes. Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Well, on this little chapel on a boulevard we can go. No one will know. Oh, come on, girl. Don't say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, 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 yeah. And we'll go, 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 go. If you're ready, like I'm ready. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much.
That's so amazing.
And you know that song, it's very cool.
Yes, it's like I know a
Yeah.
lot of songs, and
Oh.
they are really fast stuck in my head. So yeah,
Okay, it's interesting.
it was really cool. You did an amazing job.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Actually, I'm really boring, so I'm singing to people. Is it good for you?
I'm also a bit weird and boring, but you
Yeah.
always have those people between you.
Okay.
That's why I'm here.
Yeah, that's why I'm here too. How old are you, Mara?
I am 15, almost 16.
Oh, 15, almost 16. Nice. And I'm 18. By the way.
Nice.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Really nice to meet you.
Yeah.
It was amazing to meet you, and I love your guitar and
Oh,
your playing.
thank you so
It was
much.
wonderful.
So where are you right now? Like where you live right now in the
I
city?
live in the Netherlands right now, but
No,
I
I mean-
really want to move, but we can't. We don't have money.
Oh, okay. You live alone?
No, I live with my parents still, but I really want to leave my parents, but it's not legal yet.
Okay. Why you
Bit
want to live alone?
Everywhere,
Okay.
literally everywhere. I don't care. I love
don't
the
care?
world.
Okay.
I love the world. I don't care. I would live everywhere.
Ah, nice. Very nice.
It was
Okay.
really nice to meet you.
Yeah,
You're amazing at guitar.
thank you so
and
much.
There's probably some people here that will tell you no and will tell you otherwise, but don't believe them. You're amazing.
Okay, thank you for your time. I'm so happy to meet you.
I'm also really happy to meet you. Have a nice
Yeah.
day.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.